What's going on, guys? I just wanted to make a really quick video. I know I haven't made one for quite a while on this channel, but I just had to get new tires for the KTM, and I went with the Pirelli Mt60Rs tires because I wanted something that is good on like gravel and basic off-road, and yeah, I just thought I'd try something different. But when I was looking for them, they only had a 160 rear tire, and I couldn't find a whole lot of stuff online about whether they actually fit without rubbing and all that. So I just wanted to show you guys how they fit. I've only done about 80 Ks on them. I literally just got them today, so I'll do an update video, and I've done about 1,000 Ks and let you know how they act off-road and on-road. So I don't know if hopefully you can see, but there's about 5 mil, maybe just over 5 millimeters of clearance between the edge of the tire and the chain. It hasn't rubbed or hit the tire at all. Like I said, I've only done about 80 kilometers on it, but yeah, it's been fine. So 160 rear with the 4.25 rim fits fine on a KTM Exc. I'm running 4.25 inch rear wheel, and I'm running tubes as well, the XL rims. I just got them from the KTM dealer. It's kind of all they had. This is with the Supermoto setup, obviously. And yeah, I'll update you on the tires once I've had some time with them, but so far they seem really nice. Plenty of traction on the road. Obviously I'm still wearing them in, but yeah, I'm really happy with them so far. I'm looking forward to seeing how they go on gravel roads too. Anyway, plenty of riding to do, so I'll hit the gravel roads, get to some off-road stuff, do heaps of road. I'm going to try them out in the wet, and once it get a bit of rain, and I'll update you guys soon. I think I'll clock up 1,000 Ks pretty fast, so probably see you guys in a couple of weeks with an update video on the tires.